Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX designing with Figma program by ProAlley. And if we go down, these are the modules and these are the assignments, these are the advantage and these are the skills you will learn like UI designing, UI interaction, layout designing, and these are the course brief and this is introduction, Figma interface, tools, gem, prototype, dashboard, and why should technical requirements are there. These are the certification, testimonials is there. As they have different course in terms of tools and software training as they are going to teach you because it's a normal UI UX course in terms of modules in terms of fundamentals, but they have not a proper detailing about the UX user experience as they focus only on UI in terms of Figma only, and they have a separate course in XP Essentials in Hindi and English both the available. So this is not a way to guide you in terms of course UX UI are both a single term. If you want to teach a UI UX course, you need to combine both course in a single course. So I will not recommend this course anymore. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum in terms of UI fundamental is 0.5 as UX is not there. It's 0.5. Again UX fundamentals and UI design quality is 0.5 for me. Hands-on project is not there, so it's 0 for me. Tools and software training is only Figma and no other AI tools or HT is there, so it's a 0 for me. And mentorship feedback is again 0 for me. Portfolio development is 0 for me. Placement and guide support they are going to teach. It's 0.5 for me. Course failure fee is 0. Industry relevant update is also 0. So it's a 2 out of 10 and I will not recommend this course anymore because they have a separate course in terms of XP, in terms of Figma, in terms of Photoshop because they are not combining the bulking course in as a proper UI UX course which covers all the fundamentals. Also, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the fundamentals and structures in terms of quality, in terms of UI design. You can go with that. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the fundamentals related to UI UX and all the structures, curriculum, and hand-on projects, which include also the all the tools and software training. I will add the link in the description, which help in portfolio development, placement, and career support after completion of the course. You can check out from the description. I will add the link there. Thank you.